here in Reno for Hot August Nights. I get to be the Grand Marshal again. This is going on a decade now. We're standing on the corner of 4th and Virginia, Silver Legacy, El Dorado. Beautiful hotels. I get to stay here, get to hang out with all these car guys and car gals. I mean, everything from there's an Eleanor over here, a Shelby GT500. You've got Corvairs, you've got Corvettes, you got lots of pickup trucks. You've got every kind of imaginable hot rod and classic car. So now it's time to go pick my car for the Grand Marshal's Award. Follow me. Look at these flames. Safety at its best. Check out the gas tank. Man, the craftsmanship is amazing on these cars.